Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove any background from any video. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google on screen and you simply need to hit enter. So here you can see remove video background. So you simply need to upload clip. So let me select a random clip, for example this, and the clip is now up, and here you can see that it will take few seconds to remove. So wait for a few seconds. So here you can see that it is now removing background. So this is the website that you can use to remove the background. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.